100 children to do this year. The Queen Quet coming 100 from the Gullah Geechee Garden. So glad for dear y'all with 20 proclamation and things like that. And if 100 knows that we proclaim them first at a 21 for Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week 2015. This year, the last one become in the mail with one note on them that said they be sorry you missed me and things like that. We thought today and been good day in them this year, yeah. But thank the Lord we get this year from Georgetown County in South Kakalaki. This year say, whereas Georgetown County is the third oldest county in South Carolina, and in the 18th century, Georgetown County and the South Carolina coast became the locale of some of the richest rice plantations in the South, which were linked to specific West African ethnic groups who became known as Gullah Geechee. And whereas the Gullah Geechee civilization originated in West Africa, its people coming to the United States as slaves to work on rice plantations, and I would have said enslaved Africans that worked on rice plantations, and with their African fare, original language, and craftsmanship, the Gullah Geechee people left their mark on the southeastern South Carolina. And whereas the Gullah Geechee culture had a powerful impact on the low country of South Carolina, including Georgetown County and the Police Island area, and these Gullah Geechee influences have helped to define our southern lifestyle and culture. Whereas the preservation and celebration of the Gullah Geechee culture has gained momentum due to the Gullah Geechee Cultural Heritage Act created by U.S. Representative James Clyburn, as well as the efforts of others such as Queen Quet, chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and Kwame Shah, co-founders of the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival and the annual Gullah Geechee event. Whereas Georgetown County Council recognizes the importance of bringing awareness and appreciation for this rich culture and history in order to increase understanding of all the contributions the Gullah Geechee have given to our area. Now, therefore, be it proclaimed, the Georgetown County Council does hereby recognize the 2015 Gullah Geechee Nation Music and Movement Festival and does hereby proclaim the week of July 25th to August 2nd as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week in Georgetown County, and encourages the citizens of Georgetown County to participate in this celebration. And it is signed by the chairperson of the Georgetown County Council. You see that their seal is affixed. Thank you to Georgetown County, what been the richest Carolina gold county of all the county and things like that. And so right here, standing in the Gullah Geechee Garden where my family grew rice, I thought it was the most appropriate place to read this one, the last one we got in the mail. Thank you to Georgetown and 100 children. We're so glad for all 100 children who have been in support this year, Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. Keep following we at GullahGeecheeNation.com and at Gullah Geechee so that 100 children know where the next thing going to be. And 100 children know what you did with me. 100 going to know this year what's going on. This year the Queen Quet, head upon the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. Proud that we still got plenty appreciation coming true. We coastline.